sources. Okay. The next one is it identifies the essential mindsets and skills that contribute to effective decision making. So it contributes to the effective decision making. You come to a conclusion whether what I have decided is correct or wrong. Okay. The next is the definition. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally, understanding the logic connection between ideas. We will relate one thing to the other. Okay, for example, if you can take one example, when it rains, things outside will automatically get wet. Okay, the grass is outside, or the grass is outside. So therefore, when it rains, the grass gets wet. So we come to a judgment or to a conclusion. Okay, next, now you are all seeing the Bloom's taxonomy. For what purpose it is taken? Can you say? For what purpose it is taken? Yes, for lesson plan, Vaishali ma'am. Lesson plan, question paper setting. Okay, objectives, very good. Premlata ma'am, very good. It is objectives, Dhanalakshmi lesson plan. Okay, very good. The Bloom's taxonomy is used in our educational learning objectives. Okay, very good. Can you say to which domain does it relate to? Yes, very good. Cognitive, very good. Yes, cognitive, Shamir Almida. Yuvarani, cognitive. Okay, very good, very good. Thank you for your answers. It relates to the cognitive process. Okay. It was used for many generations by the school teachers and also the college instructors in their teaching. Okay. And you have said we are having this, the primary focus is to plan a lesson. Okay. Then why I have come over this Bloom's taxonomy? We will see. Because Bloom's taxonomy is related to the critical thinking steps. Okay. See here. Bloom's taxonomy and the critical thinking go hand in hand. Bloom's taxonomy takes students through a thought process of analyzing some information or knowledge critically. It begins with knowledge or a memory and slowly pushes to seek more information based upon a series of levels of questioning and keywords that brings out an action on the part of the student. Both critical thinking and Bloom's taxonomy are necessary to education. Okay, very good. Okay, now we all know these three are the lower order thinking and these three are the higher order thinking. To emphasize this between the students, we take this whole structure, the hierarchical thing, because without the lower order thinking, we could not go to the higher order. We cannot utilize the higher order thing. Okay. Now, how it is associated with the critical thinking? Now we will see. As critical thinking is an integral part of both the higher order and the lower order thinking. It is also said by Bloom. Okay. First thing we remember. Okay. How you remember? You remember you recall from the facts that are already known. It is somewhat like it is a rote learning, or you ask questions who, what, when, or where. And the next one is understand. You begin to grasp meaning from different kinds of material. You understand things. You explain. If a lesson is taught, you could say you understand, and you could say a concept of it. Overall concept you can say. Okay, that it is helpful. And apply. You apply the understanded thing in this. Okay, in this we all know. And then analyze. It is the higher order thinking in learning. It is the higher order thinking in learning. When you analyze, you develop the cause and effect relationship when you analyze. For example, you all must have known about Cinderella story. I think you all must have known Cinderella story. And you try to analyze why Cinderella ran from the ball dance when the clock struck 12 o'clock. Can you say? Can you say why Cinderella ran from the ball dance when the clock struck 12 o'clock? Yes, very good, Vaishali ma'am. Hello, am I not clear, Dava ma'am? Excuse me.
Ma'am, actually, your voice is breaking.
Hel-
Can you hear me, Priya, ma'am?
Yes, I could hear
Yeah,
you.
yeah. In between, your voice was
I don't
breaking.
know why it is.
No, no, maybe because of the
Now
network.
it is clear.
Ah, yes, now it is
Yes,
clear, ma'am.
clear,
While you
clear.
were talking about Cinderella, but there was a network issues.
Oh,
That's why. Now
okay,
it's fine.
okay.
You can carry on.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
It's clear
Yes,
only.
Vaishali ma'am has said after 12 the magic was going to over. Yes, very good. Then how you come to the decision, you analyze it, okay? And the next step is evaluate. How you evaluate? For example, if the teacher is saying you have to eat all the vegetables are healthier for your health. If the teacher says, you will go and evaluate which vegetable is more healthier. Yes, yes, no. You will see which vegetable is more healthier. And in the last stage, that is the creating stage. This is the highest level and it is the most complex one also. Okay, in this the student utilizes all the other levels to completely form to a new idea. Okay, what he will think from different situations of different circumstances. What would happen? For example, if I'm asking, what would have happened to Cinderella if she had not had a fairy godmother? Can you answer? If what would have happened to Cinderella if she had not had a fairy godmother? Yes? Can you answer if the Cinderella story only, if she is not? Yes, very good. She would not go to the party then. Okay, very good. And she would not then marry the prince also. Yes, no? Yes, very good. Okay. So by these steps, we critically analyze. Okay. And here are some famous critical thinkers. You all must have known Sir Isaac Newton. You know what he is famous for? Yes, he is famous for. Yes, very good. Uh, Deebir, Sharmila, Ramya Priya. Yes, very good. Due to the law of gravity. Okay. Whenever you see people achieving big results, they definitely will be a critical thinkers. Okay. These are world famous critical thinkers I have taken. And Isaac Newton came up with the idea of law of gravity. And William Shakespeare, you all know, he is the famous poet, playwright, actor, dramatist, and he is the bard of Avon. And Marie Curie, she is known for the discovery of elements, polonium and radium, and she won Nobel Prize in physics as well as in chemistry. Okay, and Sigmund Freud, yes, it is coming to our area. Okay, what is he famous for? Sigmund Freud, what is he famous for? Yes, yes, he is famous for. He is the founder of the psychoanalysis, okay, psychoanalysis theory, and he brought out the fundamental structure of human mind with his ego and the super ego, okay. Now we'll see what are the critical thinking skills. It deals with reasoning, analyzing, the decision making, evaluating, problem solving. With this, next we'll see about the characteristics of critical thinkers. How the critical thinkers usually be, it is given out as the general characteristics. They observe keenly, they're curious to know, introspect thoughts, feelings and sensation. Introspect means they look within themselves through their thoughts, feelings and sensation. And analytical, then they try to analyze, and open-mindedness. They also consider other people's view. Okay, they also consider the other people's view. It also regards to empathy, and they are open-mindedness. They are effective communicators. Then they are active listeners, and they are humility. The humility, which means they will be very humble, and they will accept or admit when they are wrong. They will be in that platform. Okay. Next, the techniques to improvise critical thinking. Here are some techniques to improve our critical thinking. First, we should question your assumptions. You assume things, but you will not question in different types. For example, why, what, how, when, like that. You should question it. Then adopt a different perspective. You have to find out how others feel from their perception. Which I have said already, which deals with empathy. And the next one is take time to reflect. We have to reflect our own efforts, what we have taken. We must try to reflect it in other situations. And the next one is be honest and open. We should be honest in our communication or in our deeds. We should be honest, and we should not particularly open up in fake news or fake knowledge like that. Then we should break it down. What is meant by that? Break it down. When problems are too big to solve, you should often break it into the smaller parts. Okay. Next, do your research. As a human, you have to decide to take matters in your own hands. You must not take the problem to others. You must try to take the matters in your own hands, as it is the powerful tool. Okay. Next, these are connected by a similarity. Guess it. Can you guess it? What it is connected by? Queen, Ramya, King and Queen. I told these are connected by a similarity. Guess it. Princess, England, London, Queen. Chess. Okay, very good, very good. I think from VOCC, I think Davasubha ma'am has typed chess. Okay, very good. These are the king, queen. These are the chess pieces. Okay. Okay. Can critical thinking be learnt? Can you give the answer? Can critical thinking be learnt? No. No, Priyadarshini. By exam. Sylvia, yes. Yes. Vaishali, yes. Yes, very good. Thank you. Thank you, participants. Only by practicing. Very good, Franklin. Very good. Yes, critical thinking can surely be learnt, and as teachers, it can be really taught. Okay. Next, we'll see about how we can develop or how we can create this critical thinking in our student community. Okay. The first one is demonstration. we have to take things for demonstration. As yesterday Kavita ma'am said, she used to demonstrate the experiments in front of the class. Like that, we have to take different types of things in front of the class, and we have to demonstrate them. Okay, and when the demonstration process goes on, the students will be able to think critically how this came, how it will happen if it is done like this, like that. They will question themselves. Then productive debates. Yeah, in the classroom we can give for productive debates, debates within the, yes, very good Premalata, activities. We have give many activities like debates. Then peer assessment. It is a wonderful collaborative learning within the students, in which the students evaluate their peer work, and they provide they should really provide feedback to each other. Then it will be an effective one. Then encourage creativity. In this encourage creativity, we should if the student is thinking critically, it leads to the higher critical think leads to the creativity. So when the student is encouraged with the creativity, she can discover new things. So it should be done in the classroom. Then interactive games. Interactive games, as you have said, as activities, we have give anagrams. Then we have give something through the pictures. We can give, or we can give them one map, and ask them to critically analyze it. Like that, we have give activities. And this is also the continued one, open-ended questions. Usually the critical thinking develops in the open-ended question. It should not rely only on yes or no. When questions are given with open form, the students will try to answer it. Then assigning group work. The group work among the students should be assigned. Next, ideal examples. In this, we should give examples of the past critical thinkers, how they solved their real life problems, and what awards they have received for their abilities. It can be from the past or from the present. Those who are living in the contemporary period also can be taken, and it can be given as examples. And then can deal with tricky problems. If can give problems like a real life situation, problems we can give. And if you face this type of situation, what will you do? Like that you can ask. Then opportunity to think about. We must make the students give opportunity to think in the class, to think in the class, and to write down what they think. Okay, like that we can develop the critical thinking. Okay, now what is the color here? Yes, very good, orange. Very good, orange. Only Murugesan has said blue. Yes, actually he has creatively analyzed that is blue. I have written orange, but it is in the blue shade. You must have come across Chatai, a movie by Samudragani. He used to write on the board with the white chalk, yellow he used to write, and he used to ask the students what color. Then all will be saying it is yellow. No, he will be saying that it is white. I am writing with the white chalk, like that. So, okay, very good. What you think from this picture? Root, Dhanalakshmi root. Okay. What comes to your mind when you tree? What comes to your mind? Tree crying. Okay. Lady, one man. Okay. After a disaster. Okay, very good. Painting. Okay, very good. It is one of the wonderful painting. A man carrying something. Okay, you are saying it in your own perspective. It is a modern painting. Very good. It is a modern painting. Usually, in modern painting, there will be a hidden concept. You all know it. There will be a hidden concept. So you can see it as what a woman also, or you can see it as a destruction situation. With the leaves withering all around, like that also you can take. Okay, next. Now we'll see about the creative thinking, in which now you have in the previous slides you have creatively analyzed. Is no. Okay, what is creativity? The word creativity comes from the Latin word creare, which means to create or make. Okay, creativity is just connecting things. When you ask creative people how they did it, simple something, they feel a little guilty because they did not really do it. They just saw something, it seemed obvious to them after a while. Usually, we used to ask students or to our colleagues, how you did this, very superb. Then they will itself, oh, we have done something different. So only we are getting appreciation. Okay, it just came in my mind, they will say. It just came as a fraction of mind. It came, they will say. Okay. Now we'll see to the definition. Critical creative thinking is the ability to look at things differently and find new ways of solving problems. Okay, definitely, creative is something which we innovative things we create. Okay, trying to make find new ways of solving the problems. Okay. Next, creative thinking skills are definitely not just for creative types like artists and musicians. It is also for all, each one of us will do some creativity in something or the other. Okay. If a cooking chef, he will try to design. After his cooking, he used to present it creatively. Okay. So the last step, the final step gives you the creativeness. Okay. It adds values to everything you do, and it draws people towards you. When you'll be having, when you are a creative person, you have some it comes to your morals, values also, and it draws people towards you. Okay, you will be having so many friends. Okay, from this picture, from the first picture, what do you observe? What do you observe? Can you type your answers? Old music. Okay, very good. Yeah, some have written only bird is seen, and some have written gramophone, symphony is seen, like that. But some have written both of them, bird and the instrument, old music instrument. Okay, very good, very good. You are critically, you have started to critically analyze. Okay, and what is the second picture shows? It is a menace. How they are doing it? Do you think that when you are coming through the WhatsApp, so many messages, and எப்படிப்பா இப்படிலாம் ரூம் போட்டா யோசிக்கிறாங்க அப்படிங்கறது நம்ம வந்து நினைச்சு பார்ப்போம். இப்படிலாம் யோசிக்கிறாங்க, இப்படிலாம் கொண்டு வர்றாங்க. They relate to the present, what it may be, politics, or it may be cinema, anything we will relate and give. Okay. The first one also, can you answer it? A mother beats up her daughter because she was drunk. Question, who was drunk? Daughter. Okay, mother. Okay, you can take in any direction according to this question. The mother beats up her daughter because she was drunk. Many will be saying it is a mother's daughter. Okay, very good. And in the second also, it is given a menace. Like this, how they are doing creatively, we present something. Okay, see here, what you observe in this picture. Okay, trending picture, bullet, bike, vessels. Okay, very good. A bike made of vessels. Ritu ma'am, very good, very good. She has given a bike made of vessels. With the vessels, the bike is made. Okay, anything. You have how creatively it is created. See, with the vessels, household things. It came in a WhatsApp message. I was very much attracted to it, so I was happy to share this here. And this you must have must have come across brain out games. In the net itself, you can do brain out games. This will not be critically thinking. It will go to creative thinking. If you see, if three things are here, and by which we can go to the tree. The man uses first the wood, then he thinks he could not do anything, and then when he takes the rope, he could climb the tree. Okay, this is the thing. And now we come to the critical thinking skills. Okay, these are the critical thinking skills, which first one is the analytical. As in the creative, here also we are having analytical thinking, in which we are having the ability to analyze things first. Okay, and the next is problem solving, the ability to solve an important issue or important problem. Okay, the next one is the open-minded. In this, the things which are also open-minded means something different from others. Something new is created. Okay, open mind, which is not considered before, is set here. And in organization, being able to structure a plan of action with clear goals and deadlines. We organize things, how it is like that, we organize things. And in communication, it can be oral as well as in written, or it can be in listening also. In all the four cells, we can use this communication and we try to ask the right questions. Okay. Here are some creative thinkers. You all know this is Alexander Graham Bell. He is known for the invention of telephone, as he was interested in the sound technology, which became a deep rooted within him, and he was able to create the phone, as his wife as well as the mother was deaf. Okay, and this is the Leonardo da Vinci. Who's famous for his Mona Lisa picture and the Last Supper, and he also has designed parachute, helicopter, etc. Okay, and this is Walt Disney, who's famous for, can you type? Walt Disney, who's famous for what he created? What he created? Entrepreneur. Yes. Mickey. Okay, very good, very good. Yes. He is the creator. Yes, animated films, Ramya. Okay, very good. Thank you, participants. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. He is the creator of Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck, and he is the pioneer of animated cartoon films. Okay. The next one is J.P. Guilford. Okay, now coming to our area. Who is this? J.P. Guilford, can you say? Yes, psychologist. Psychologist, yes, he is an American psychologist. And what he has done to psychology, can you say? Yes, you could not remember, I think. He is known for his psychometric study of human intelligence. Okay, he is known for his psychometric study of human intelligence. Okay, now we go with the creativity stages. Okay, This also you must have heard in our B.Ed classrooms. As critical thinking is associated with Bloom's taxonomy, the creativity is also associated with these stages. Okay, as in a B.Ed thing, the first it was proposed by, this model was proposed by Graham Walls, and the first one is preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. You must have come across, but anyway, we'll see. Preparation. First, we have to prepare ourselves by materials, by giving attention, by planning, or by reasoning. Like that, we have to deal our preparation. Then the next stage is incubation. You all must have heard in the corona periods, incubation time. Like that, you must have heard. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, incubation? No idea. Okay. Isolation. Okay. Very. Okay. It will be staying. That means you are letting it inside your, with the corona thing, I am associating and saying, you are letting your mind to wander in the way, which leads to the greater creativity. Okay. Incubation period means you are taking it in, and you are having it in your body, and you are thinking it, you are wandering it with so many ideas, you relate it with so many, you wander just simply. You wander in your own way to think about. Okay, this leads to the higher creativity. And the next one is illumination. Illumination. In this thing, you will get an idea. I have got an idea. Yes, we can do like this. We can do like that. You will say to yourself. Okay, that is the moment you strike with the idea. And the next one is the verification. In this, we use the creative skills to think about the audience. We have to think about the audience and craft the idea message. What you have done, will it be suitable for the audience, to my audience, who I am going to take it out, for whom I am going to delivering it, that is it will be suitable. Like that we have to say. So these three things will be, all will be doing, we will be doing certain things, and all the creativity goes on these three steps: preparation, incubation, and illumination. But when it is not completely packaged to the final step, we will lose here. Okay, so the creativity does not come out. Okay, so we have to be careful in this verification stage. We should be we should deal with the complete package in the right way. Then only we will bring out the creativity to others. Okay, the creative sense to others. Okay, these are the characteristics of a creative individual. Memory for facts. They are the memory for fact. They will be having the good memory of who deal with the truths. Okay, and they will be mostly independent. They will not depend upon others. They will have their own independent ideas, and they will have complexity of thoughts. They will be having different thoughts they will be having, and they will be imaginative. They think imaginative, and then they will be open to ideas, or to all the ideas. They will be open. They will be curious, and they will be flexible. They will be flexible to any situation. They could handle, or they could cooperate to any situation. Then next, the techniques to improvise creative thinking for a teacher. First, become a knowledgeable teacher. First, the teacher should be knowledgeable. They connect with other teachers. Or teacher should connect with other teachers, or the students also, they must be connect with other students. Okay, become a collection of teaching ideas. You must be having a different ideas of teaching. You have, when you converse with other teachers, or when you converse with other students, or when you converse with others, you could get different opinions. And so only we will be saying we should connect with other teachers and share your learning. You have to importantly share your learning. What you know, you must expose it to others. What you know, let them also know. When you give it to others, you will get some other idea also from that. Like that you will, and remove the blocks to creative thinking. You have to remove some creativeness you will be having. I told first 3 steps you will be coming. Then when you start analyzing to your, when you are going to take it to a whole package, you will miss in that step. So you must remove the blockage to the creative thinking. And next, practice your creativity. You have to practice your creativity. You think over ideas. In anything you are bringing out, try to bring it creatively. What can I do different from others? Like that you think it, okay? And start experimenting and reflecting on your teaching. You experiment your own teaching, and you experiment as students. You have to experiment your own learning, and you have to reflect on what you have learned or what you have taught to the students, okay? Make creativity a daily goal. Daily you try to do a goal which is creative, okay? Is creativity thinking inborn or God's gift? Can you type the answer? God's gift. God's gift. Venkatesh, God's gift. Inborn, God's gift. Okay. Okay, thank you. God's gift always. Okay, Franklin. Okay. Sylvia, inborn. Okay. No, the answer is no. The creative thinking is not inborn, and it is not a God's gift. Moreover, okay, it is not inborn. It can be trained, it can be developed. Okay, we can develop it. Here are some methods how to develop our creative thinking. First, acceptance. Accept the things what others do creatively, appreciate them, okay? Accept it. Yes, you are not, if you are not seeing to it, or if you are not hearing to it, they will feel somewhat guilty. So accept it. What they say, something they are saying means you accept it. First we have to accept it. Then motivation. You have to motivate them. You know, as a teacher, the motivation is the best tool for us. Yes, no, instrument for us to do with the students. When we motivate, they bring out with different ideas. Okay, so motivation is the needed one, and change the routine. You can change your routine. For example, if you are going to the college through one path, at times you change your routine and daily routine path to the college. You change somehow and you go. Something that will make you to develop your creativeness. And if you are doing the same continuous procedure in other work also, try to change a little bit, and you will develop. Yes, I can do like this also. You will have a confidence. Okay, then give assignments. In this creative also, you can make the students giving assignments. For example, you can ask some questions like, if you what would happen if you are not having electricity in this world? What would you have? What would happen? Like that you can ask. And if you ask, if one day all the animals are talking like us, they are also communicating with us in our own language, what will how it will be? Like that you can ask. Like, then you can give brainstorming exercise. You can give a concept and you can make the students to write about it. Like the activity you can do. And you can ask the students to think what are the 3 places that you like to visit, or have good food. Why don't you visit? You don't want to visit a place like this. What is that? Which place you think that has a lot of pollution? Like that, you can ask them. And you can also ask one interesting one. One day when you woke up, you discover that you had changed to a parent. You had changed to a parent, and your child. Sorry, you had changed to a child, and sorry, you had changed to a parent, and your parent has changed to a child. Then how it will be? Like that, you can ask. Like that, you can ask to your students. The next one is rewarding. Here also, as we say, we have to give simple rewards like a pen or a scale, like that. We have to give small gifts to the children. If we give the students small gifts, they will be highly motivated and they will be trying to do critical things. Little bit to a higher thinking. Okay, then give them space for framework. Okay, we have to give them time for their thinking, creative thinking. You must do like this one, this is not nice. You must not reject it. You have to give them space. You can do better. Like that, you have to encourage them. Then they will be creatively thinking. Okay. When you think creatively, you are exploring many ideas. When you think critically, you are making choices. Okay. Thinking process is like a kayak with two paddles. One is creative thinking, while the other represents the critical thinking. So both of this are needed for every one of us. Okay. Without one cannot. There will be domination, some domination in our mind or in our brain, but we need both the paddles. Okay, this is crisp differentiation of the critical thinking and well as the creative thinking. This deals with the critical thinking deals with the left brain, and this with the right brain. Selective, it is expansive. Judgmental, non-judgmental. Yes, but, and here is and. Okay. See, this is the problem. Last, we are for a problem solving tactic, we need creative thinking as well as the critical thinking. Okay, for that's why I have put this slide. For a problem solving, we need both the things, creative thinking as well as the critical thinking. Okay, now handle this situation. Okay, observe the picture. I will say the thing. You are going. In a car, you are going in a car, you are passing the bus stop, and in the bus stop you see an old lady who is very sick. She is very sick and nervous, and your previous friend who has saved your life earlier before, and a girl who you think your perfect partner. Okay, these three are in the bus stop, and you are going by the car. You see them, and in your car you can take only one person. Then what would you do? What would you do? Can you answer, participants? You can take only one in the car. What would you do? Vaishali ma'am has written old lady. Yes, Ramya. Premalata, my partner. Question, ma'am. I told you are crossing the bus stop, and you see three people, an old lady who is very sick. She has to be admitted in the hospital, and a man who has previously saved your life, your friend, and another one, your partner. You think that is your perfect partner. Then you can take only one person in the car. Then who will you take? Old lady. Okay. I have told for problem solving, we must have both the critical as well as the creative thinking. Yes. Many get out, they both will go. Geeta Rahubadi, can you say specifically? Ask my friend to take the old lady. Okay, very good, very good. Shamar ma'am has given. Okay, the person, yes, the boy, you will give the keys to your friend, and you ask your friend to take the old lady to the hospital, and you will be with the perfect partner in the bus stop, waiting for the bus to come. Okay, like that you can solve. Okay. Okay. It's about using your whole brain, not just one side or the other. So both the brains, both the right brain and the left brain is needed for our thinking. Okay. But with this only, with both creative and critical, we could analyze and we could solve problems. By this, I come to the end of the presentation. Education is not the learning of facts, it's rather the training of the mind to think, by Albert Einstein. Thank you, participants, for your interaction and for your patient listening. Thank you so much. Over to Dava ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Priya ma'am.
Hello, Dava ma'am.
Rufina, Priya. Priya, can you hear me? Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priya?
Yes, ma'am,
okay,
I can hear. I can hear.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You can mute your mic. Okay. Thank you, Priya ma'am, for your nice and a very creative session. Dava ma'am, are you there? Okay. This is the last day of our webinar series. So we would like to have a feedback session. Okay. So now we are going to have a feedback session. So we have selected some persons, some participants have given their name for giving their feedback. I think Dava ma'am is having some network problem.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going
I got
to
stuck. That's why I couldn't click that unmute mic.
Okay. So we are going to have a feedback session. Okay. Yeah. So now, first of all, I call Priya Darshini from Shakti Kailash College of Education, Salem. Priya Darshini ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, you can say, ma'am.
First of all, happy noon for all. It was excellent session for whole day. That's for 8 sessions. It was awesome, ma'am. I never attended like this. I had gained a lot of knowledge regarding our personality as well as for the BEds. As I am a student of first year, I can enrich my talent for my students in future. It was awesome, ma'am, and organized us well. Thanks a lot for everything. I had learned a lot and I experienced a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Priya Darshini. And next I call Vishnu Priya, alumna of VOC College of Education. Vishnu Priya, are you there? Vishnu Priya?
Employees who have work absent more than 1
Vishnu
week.
Priya? Okay. Okay, thank you. And next I would like to call Rasul Meera from Panchaypas College. Rasul Meera, sir. Who is this? Vishnu Priya?
Yeah, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Okay. You can say, you can give your feedback.
Yeah, afternoon to all. This is Vishnu Priya, alumni of VOC College of Education. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for providing us such a wonderful seminar. for past 1 week. Next, I would like to thank all the resource person for their fabulous presentation and sharing their knowledge to gain us more new thoughts and ideas. Their motivational speech trigger us thinking to face the society, and its will leads us in the right path to become a good teacher. The topic were more useful and informative for young budding teachers. The whole session went lively and interactive that made us to think as we were in the classroom. The session was very lively, ma'am. Once again, I like to thank for giving me this wonderful opportunity to take part in this webinar series. Really, this webinar series was stress buster for all the participants during this lockdown period, ma'am. Really, the session was very wonderful, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishnupriya. And next, I would like to call Rasul Meera sir from Pachepas College. Rasul Meera sir. I think he's not here. I think.
Rasul Meera, she's having some network issues, I think, ma'am. That's
yes,
why she
okay.
yes.
Okay.
Next, I think you posted something that I requested not to do. But thank you so much for your cooperation. Hope all the participants can get it. Thank you.
Okay. Next, I would like to call Dhanalakshmi, our old students, that is from VOC College of Education. Dhanalakshmi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, you can present. Yes.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த 8 நாட்கள் நிரல்களையும் எப்படி கலந்து கொள்ள போகிறேன் என்று யோசித்துக் கொண்டிருந்தேன். 8 நாட்கள் இருக்கிறதே என்று மிக அருமையாக யோசித்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் என்று யோசித்துக் கொண்டிருந்தேன். அதில் முதலாவது நாளாக ரசூல் ஆசிரியர் உரையாற்றிய அனைத்தும் மிகவும் அருமையாக இருந்தது. அதில் ரசூல் ஆசிரியர் ஆசிரியருடைய ஆளுமையை எப்படி அறிந்து கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று மிக அருமையாக உரையாற்றினர். 2வது நாட்களாக ஜாக்சன் என்ற ஆசிரியர் மிகவும் அருமையாக நடத்தினர். இதில் வழிநடத்த நேரம் என்ற டாபிக்கில் இருந்து அருமையாக நடத்தினர். அதில் உங்களுடைய ஜாக்சன் ஆசிரியர் ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்டனர். உங்களுடைய பெயர் தேடல் பொறி, அதாவது கூகுள் சர்ச், அதில் தேடி பாருங்கள் என்று சொன்னார்கள். அவர்கள் சொன்னவுடன் நான் உடனே தேடிக்கொண்டேன். அதில் மிகவும் என்னுடைய நேம் மிக அருமையாக வந்திருந்தது. அதில் தனலட்சுமி மருத்துவமனை, கல்லூரிகள் அனைத்தும் அதிகமாக இருந்தது. எனக்கு மிகவும் சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. அடுத்ததாக 3வது நாட்களாக கிங்ஸ்டன் என்ற ஆசிரியர் இலக்கு நிர்ணயத்தை பற்றி அருமையாக உரையாற்றினர். 4வது நாட்களாக மைக்கேல் ஜெயப்பிரியா என்ற ஆசிரியர் உணர்வுசார் நுண்ணறிவு பற்றி மிக தெளிவாக கூறினர். 5வது நாளாக ராஜதுரை என்ற ஆசிரியர் ஒருவருக்கொருடைய திறன்களை அருமையாக நடத்தினர். அதில் எடுத்துக்காட்டாக வீட்டை பற்றியும் நாம் வேலை செய்யும் இடத்தை பற்றியும் அதிகமாக கூறினர். எனக்கு மிகவும் பிடித்தது. அடுத்ததாக தவசுபா என்ற ஆசிரியை முடக்குதலின் மன அழுத்தத்தை மிக அருமையாக ஆங்கிலத்தில் பிச்சு உதறினர். அதாவது பிச்சு உதறினர் என்பது உங்களுக்கு அனைவருக்கும் தெரியக்கூடியது. அனைத்தையும் கேள்வி கேட்டே நடத்தினர். அவர் நடத்தியது எனக்கு மறுபடியும் வஉசி கல்லூரியில் படித்ததாக இருந்தது. அடுத்ததாக கவிதா சிறப்பு விருந்தினர், கவிதா என்ற சிறப்பு ஆசிரியர் விருந்தினர் ஆசிரியருடைய பங்கான மாணவரின் ஆளுமை வளர்ச்சியை அருமையாக நடத்தினர். அடுத்ததாக பிரியா ஆசிரியை படைப்பு மற்றும் விமர்சன சிந்தனையை அருமையாக நடத்தினர். இதை நடத்திய அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Dhanalakshmi. And next, I would like to call upon Karthikeyan, Organizing Secretary and Head, Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Karthikeyan, sir, are you there, sir?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
can
sir.
you hear me, madam?
It's your time, sir. You can present. Sir.
So, I am really very happy to be part of this wonderful webinar. Here before I attended in the pandemic period more than 100 webinar, I think so. In all the webinar, I can become a witness. But in this webinar only, I may be a participant, I think so. இதில் வந்து நிறைய பேர் சொன்னாங்க, அந்த டீச்சிங் பர்சனாலிட்டிலேருந்து கிரியேட்டிவ் அண்ட் கிரிட்டிக்கல் திங்கிங் வரை 8 டாபிக் நீங்கள் கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க இந்த 8 நாளில் அப்படின்னு பேசினாங்க. பட் ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி யூ ஹவ் கவர்ட் 9 டாபிக்ஸ். எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்ச 8 டாபிக் தான். தெரியாமல் இன்னொரு டாபிக் இருக்கு. அது என்னன்னா, ஹவு டு கண்டக்ட் த வெபினார் எஃபெக்டிவ்லி. அது வந்து ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக நீங்கள் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணிக்க மேடம். இல்லைன்னா டூயிங் அன்கேரிங் ஒர்க். நைட்டு 10 மணிக்கு 11 மணிக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணி, மேடம் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு, இது பண்ணலாமா இது பண்ணலாமான்னு யூ கேன் திங்க் கிராண்டட். எதையுமே நீங்கள் வந்து முகம் சொல்லிக்கல வேணாம். பிகாஸ் ஐ ஆல்சோ கண்டக்டட் மெனி வெபினார்ஸ். அதில் எவ்வளோ ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வரும், எத்தனை பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் இருந்து எவ்வளோ கொரிஸ் வரும், எப்படி அதை சால்வ் பண்ணணும், நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்குது. பட் அது எல்லாமே ஓவர் கம் பண்ணி எந்த ஒரு சின்ன விஷயத்தில் கூட முடியாதுங்க. யூ ஆர் நாட் யூசிங் எனி நெகட்டிவ் வேர்ட். தட் இஸ் அ வெரி கிரேட் திங் மேடம். ஸோ ஐ ஆம் ப்ரவுட் ஐ ஆம் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் வெபினார். தேங்க்யூ. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் த காலேஜ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், பிரின்சிபல், organizer, resource person. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karthikeyan sir. And I would like to thank all the participants for giving your nice feedback for us. Thank you so much. And now this is the time for giving the vote of thanks and to thank each and everyone who participated in the webinar. And for this, in order to propose the vote of thanks, I call upon Dr. Davashubha from VOC College of Education to propose a vote of thanks. Over to Davashubha ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Rusi ma'am. Good afternoon all. I am Davashubha. I am very happy to propose vote of thanks to all. Actually, today is the last day, and for the past 8 days we were working very hard, and it's all happened all because of you participants. You cooperated us a lot, and nobody made us embarrassed, and thank you so much for that. And first, I would like to thank our management, our president sir, secretary sir, for giving us this opportunity to conduct this webinar series. And I thank our principal sir who motivated us. Actually, he spoke to me one day and he asked me to conduct the webinar series. And it's all because of him. Thank you, principal sir. And I would like to thank all our resource person. I just gave them just 4 or 5 days, I think, before organizing the webinars, before starting the series. And all said okay without any hesitation. They made it very clear and they cooperated with us. They first, another one important thing, so many participants asked me about PPT, and I was able to post it all because of the cooperation that was given by the resource person. And one particular participant told me it happened only in VOCC webinar, no other webinar series or webinar we could get back that PPT presentation. So for that, I should thank all our resource person for making this program a success and a unique one. And I thank our faculty members, especially Dr. Nazul Mohideen, Dr. Rajadurai sir, Dr. Fina, and Girija ma'am, Priya ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Anthony Vinolia ma'am, and so many who took part. Even if this, this webinar series is for only student teachers, and they took part in that and they motivated us. And at the end of the session, they were encouraging us. Thank you all for that. And all other faculties from various institutions, head of institution and assistant associate professors from various institutions, thank you. You guided me personally. You gave me the feedback when and every day you are guiding me. Thank you for that all. And next, I would like to thank the participants. I mean, the student. They too, they were very much interested in participating in this webinar series. And I could see daily we would reach the participant number as 112 or 125. The same group of participants would come, and I have by-hearted those names. Thank you, my dear students, and my own students from VOCC and from other institutions also. And I would also thank our alumni students. Even after completing their studies, they took some personal interest and joined in this webinar series. Thank you for that, my dear students. And I thank you all for supporting us. And thank you for your love and support. And especially, I would like to thank my co-organizer, Mrs. Rupina Dhanasudha, assistant professor in biological science. She used to ask me whether you have done this and that. Yeah, thank you for that, Rufina ma'am. And so many times we went for trial regarding this Google Meet. Each and every before the presentation, we went for the Google Meet trial, and we had some fun, and especially we enjoyed a lot in this series. And we would be waiting for the end of the session. Why? Because we all will be having some nice chat. That's the reason. So thank you all participants and faculties for making this program a success. And you all have requested that you want such type of webinar series. And I will keep the proposal again in front of the principal. And if he allows us, we will. And moreover, so many webinars are ahead from our faculty members, and we will be posting it too. And we need the same cooperation from you all. Thank you one again. Thank you. So over to you, Rufina ma'am.
Thank you, Davashubha ma'am, for your nice vote of thanks. Support of an organizer, me and Davashubha ma'am. Once again, I thank each and every participants and also all the faculties of our college and also the faculties from other college. We thank you so much for participating in this webinar. Thank you.
So Deepa ma'am, do you have any doubt? You posted in the chat, you have one question. Deepa ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, you can ask.
To the Priya, ma'am.
Priya, ma'am?
Ma'am, you taught about critical thinking and creative thinking. In what way lateral thinking is related to this too, ma'am? Lateral thinking is a doubt.
Actually, Priya, ma'am,
she is having some network problem. So only I called Priya. She's not able to come over. So only I went for the feedback session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Maybe I'll put the question privately to you. You can ask her and send it to me back.
Okay,
yeah,
sure,
ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Participant, we will issue the certificate. We will win 10 days. So please bear with us. And so this is what the valedictory session, ma'am. We will be providing you the certificate within 10 days. So kindly bear with us since we need to check all the attendance and so on. So thank you all, and now you all can leave the room. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. From Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Thank you,
it was really lively experience. We enjoyed a lot, lots of knowledge, effectively explained, superb, amazing, and all the resource persons were very nicely explaining it. And thanks for PPT too. Thanks to the entire team of organizers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Shamir, ma'am. Participants, if anyone ready to give us feedback, you can. Okay, now participants can leave the room.
Leave this room, yes.
Participants, you can leave the room. Thank you for the cooperation.
Sabha ma'am, Premlata ma'am.
Yes.
Hi, Premlata. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Rufi ma'am, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கும் பிரேமலதா. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்கும் மேம். மேம் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் மேம். எப்படி இந்த 8 days நான் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண போறேன்னு நினைச்சேன். ரொம்ப எந்த டைமையும் மிஸ் பண்ணாம அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம் எனக்கு.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Premlata ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am.
Yes, Girirajan.
Hello, ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க
Yes, sir, Girirajan.
It's a wonderful experience, ma'am. It's a wonderful experience, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Wonderful experience. And your class is wonderful, ma'am. Motivated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's very missing. Next after the quarantine, I will miss you, ma'am. Miss the seminar.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. In the upcoming days, we will try to make more seminars like this if we get any permission from our higher authorities, sir. Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madam, there is one group 5-star gang. Asked any one of.
Sir, actually, yeah, no. It's a single person. Just now he spoke, sir. He is Mr. Girirajan.
Yes, sir. He's the 5-star gang, sir. Now, who spoke
Right.
now only? He's a 5-star gang.
Okay. Thank you.
So from day one, I'm asking his name so I could remember him. And he's actually from Karaikal, Aringer Anna Government Arts and Science College.
And doing PhD in economics, I think so.
Oh, Razul sir, you know him then.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, ma'am. I'm MA only finished.
Huh?
Oh, sir, he is MA graduate.
MA graduate, yes. Okay.
That is my first channel, YouTube channel.
Oh, that's nice.
YouTube channel.
There is one called MS. She asked whether there is separate session as the valedictory session.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the valedictory.
Yes, sir.
Right. Have you answered? Right.
Yeah, that's why while conveying vote of thanks, I mentioned this is what valedictory function.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So successfully we completed this webinar series, I think, Rufina ma'am.
Yes, ma. Next one, the next work we have to start. In 2 days, I have to start.
நீங்க சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணலதானாமா அதுல ஆச்சரியம். நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணது
இன்னும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண வேண்டியது அடுத்தது என்னோட மெயின் பார்ட் இருக்கு சார். சர்டிபிகேட் இஷ்யூ அதான் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமானது. உட்கார்ந்து எல்லா நேம்ஸ் எல்லாம் செக் பண்ணி கொடுத்தோம்னா அது அவ்வளவு சென்ட் பண்ண வேண்டியது.
I have done that, Rufi ma'am. I will be giving you the name list.
Okay.
No worries.
அதெல்லாம் முடிச்சலாம். வசந்து தான் பரவாயில்ல.
சார் நல்லா இருந்ததா சார்?
அதாமா சொன்ன நீ செஞ்சு நல்லா இல்லைன்னா தானமா ஆச்சரியம் சொன்ன. நல்லா இருக்கிறதுங்கிறது நடைமுறை.
சார், நான் வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கும்போது ஸ்டேஜ்ல பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது வழக்கம் போல இதேதான் நீங்க நான் படிச்ச நாள்ல இருந்து இன்னை வரைக்கும் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. கேக்குதா?
கேக்குதுமா. வழக்கம் போல நீங்க இப்படியே தானமா இருக்கீங்க படிச்ச நாள்ல இருந்து இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும். நீங்க மாறாம இருக்கிற சொல்ல முடியும். அப்ப சின்ன விஷயங்கள் பண்ணீங்க, இப்ப பெரிய விஷயங்கள் பண்றீங்க. பட் பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த பர்ஃபெக்ஷன் எப்போ எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே கரெக்டா தானே இருக்கு. ரைட்.
அந்த டேஸ் ஐ கேனாட் சார். நான் மேடையில நின்னு பேசும்போது ரசூல் சார் முகம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு அந்த ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ்க்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன். தப்பா பேசினாலும் யூ won't show any reaction.
இப்போலாம் நான் பேசுறப்போ உங்க முகம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து ஸ்டேஜுக்கு வரணும்.
No, what sir?
நம்ம பேசி முடிச்சோம்னா தவா என்ன கமெண்ட் சொல்லுவா, எந்த பாயிண்ட்
ஹலோ பிரியாவா?
பிரியா மேம் ஆன்லைன்.
ஹலோ மேம், ருஃபினா மேம் கேக்குதா மேம்?
இப்பதான் கேக்குது பிரியா. ரொம்ப நேரம் உன்னை கூப்பிட்டுட்டு இருந்தேன். உனக்கு நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா?
அப்படியா? சரி இருந்தது மேம். எப்படி மேம்?
சூப்பர். அத சொல்றேன்.
ஹலோ, எனக்கு விட்டு கேக்குது.
கரெக்ட்டா. அதான் உனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ரசூல் சார் நீங்க பேசுங்க சார்.
ஹலோ சார், என்ன சார்? எனக்கு விட்டு கேக்குது சார்.
இல்ல, உங்க லெக்சர் ரொம்ப கிரிட்டிக்கலா அனலைஸ்
சார் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது.
உங்க லெக்சரை ரொம்ப கிரிட்டிக்கலா அனலைஸ் பண்ணி கிரியேட்டிவா பிரசன்ட் பண்ணீங்க.
ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். கேக்குது சார். கேக்குது சார். கேக்குது சார்.
பிரியா நீ முடிச்ச உடனே ரசூல் சார் சொன்ன மாதிரியே உங்களோட செஷன் கிரியேட்டிவாவும் கிரிட்டிக்கலா இருந்ததும் சொல்லிட்டு பிரியான்னு கூப்பிட்டேன். கேட்டிருந்தாங்க.
சரி சரி.
லைன்ல இல்ல நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ. சரி அத ஒரு எம்ப்ரேசிங்கா ஆக்க வேண்டாமே.
அப்படி அதான் எனக்கு
அப்புறம் வரல உனக்கு
எனக்கு கேட்கவே இல்லக்கா.
சுத்தமா இல்ல. நான் உன்னை ரொம்ப நேரம் கூப்பிட்டேன். தவாக்கும் கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிட்டு அதனால ஃபீட்பேக் செஷனை தொடங்கியாச்சு. ஓகேவா? ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. வெரி
அதான் எனக்கு விட்டு விட்டு கேக்குது. எப்படிக்கா பண்ண? நல்லா பண்ணனா?
சூப்பர்மா சூப்பர். ரசூல் சார் சொன்னாங்க கேட்டியா? ரசூல் சார் சொன்னது
கேட்டேன் சார். தேங்க் யூ சார். ரசூல் சார் தேங்க் யூ.
தேங்க்யூமா. இருமா, இட்ஸ் ரியல் ஃபேக்ட்மா, ஒண்ணும் இல்லமா. ரைட்மா.
ரொம்ப நர்வஸா இருந்ததா சார்? ரொம்ப நர்வஸா இருந்ததா?
அப்படியே
இப்போ உன் ஃபேஸ் ஓபன் பண்ணி காட்டு.
பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் வந்து இன்னும் 17 பேர் இருக்குறாங்க. So participants, you can leave the room. Thank you for your cooperation. Participants 17 பேர் இருக்காங்க பிரியா மேம்.
சரி சரி.
தனலட்சுமி சொல்லு.
பிரியா மேம்.
எஸ் தனலட்சுமி.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க மேம்? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
எப்படி இருக்க? நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீ எப்படி இருக்கப்பா? நல்லா இருக்கியா?
நல்லா இருக்கேன் மேம். நல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம். சூப்பரா பண்ணீங்க.
ஓகே தேங்க் யூ மா. தேங்க் யூ. எஸ் மேம்.
வாலிபால்ல விளையாடுறீங்களா?
அசுல் சார்
ஒன்ஸ் உன் வீடியோவை ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு உன் ஃபேஸ காமிச்சு அப்புறம் நீ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நீ இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஓபன் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறீங்களா?
And உங்க PowerPoint you can stop presenting பிரியா மேம்.
சரி பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ணோம்?
சும்மா நீங்க show us your face.
அவ்வளவுதான். ஸ்டாப் ஷேர்
முகம் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு தான்
கொடுத்துட்டு ஓகே டன். அப்புறம் உன் வீடியோவை ஆன் பண்ணு. மைக்ரோஃபோன் ஆன் பண்ணுவீல அதே மாதிரி வீடியோ ஆப்ஷன் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்துல ஒரு வீடியோ ஆப்ஷன் பட்டன் இருக்கு, அதை ஆன் பண்ணுங்க.
இன்னைக்கு காலையில பார்லர் போயிட்டு வந்தேன்.
அசுல் சார் காணோம். அசுல் சார் குட் மார்னிங்.
இருக்கமா இருக்கதானோ அதான் கேட்டல்ல. எப்படி இருக்க?
த்ரோபால்லாம் ஓடிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு சார். ஸ்கூல்லயும் ஓடிட்டே இருக்கு.
த்ரோபால் கோச் ஆயிட்டீங்களா அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன்.
கோச் ஆகல சார். கோச் ஆகிறதுக்கு நான் சர்டிபிகேட் இந்த மாதிரி
உங்க டீச்சர் தானே? உங்க டீச்சர் அமுதரஞ்சனி மாதிரி வந்து பயாலஜி டீச்சர் அண்ட் பிசிக்கல் டைரக்டராவும் மாறிட்டீங்களோ நினைச்சேன்.
இதே மாதிரி ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கலாம்ல வீடியோ.
நீங்க வேற சார் தனலட்சுமி விளையாடும் போது
சூப்பர்.
சொல்லுங்க.
Can you hear? தனலட்சுமி விளையாடும் த்ரோ பால் விளையாடுவோம்ல, ஹேண்ட் பால் அவ கூட விளையாடுற போது அவ பிடிக்கிற ஸ்பீடு திரும்பி அடிக்கும் போது அந்த பால் விட்டாலே பரவாயில்லைங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
என்னக்கா
நீ படுத்துக்கிட்டுலாம் பந்த போடுவோமா?
வீடியோ ஓபன்லயே வச்சிருக்கலாம்.
அப்படியா?
டென்ஷன்ல தான் பயத்துல க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் ஒண்ணும் சொல்லல.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
ஆமாக்கா டென்ஷன்.
அதான் நானும் ஒண்ணுமே சொல்லல. சரியா? ஓகே.
பிரியா உங்க திருமுகம் வரவே மாட்டேங்குது.
வந்துட்டு சார். திருமுகம் நல்லா வருது சார். குடும்ப இஸ்திரியா உட்கார்ந்திருக்கா சார். குடும்ப anyone there participants such?
Yes, there are. Yes.
Okay.
But I couldn't get it.
Sir, Priya Karthik pin Priya Karthik sir.
ராஜுர சார் இன்னைக்கு அமைதியா இருக்காருன்னு தெரியல.
ராஜுர சார்.
பிரியா கார்த்திக் சூப்பரா இருக்கீங்க எப்போதும் விட. நீங்க
பிரியாக்கு கேக்கல போல.
இல்ல பிரியா மேம் வந்து she is having another face performance வரும்போது she will rock. till that அது வந்து இந்த பூனையும் பால்
குடிக்குது.
இல்ல நம்ம பேசுறது அவளுக்கு கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது தவா. she is not able to hear. எதுக்கு
ஊம படம் பாக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஏன்னா நான் அவங்கள இன்னொரு டிவைஸ்ல ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டேன். I'm sorry பிரியா மேம்.
ஐயோ
ப்ளீஸ்
wait. ஏன் பிரியாவை ஏன் ரிமூவ் பண்ணா?
மேம் bye ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you ma'am.
Dana bye. Thanks for
bye Dana.
Lakshmi.
Okay, thank you.
Rajura sir. பிரியா ஆட் பண்ணிட்டியா? பிரியா உள்ள வர முடியாது அவளுக்கு.
வருவாங்க. திரும்ப அதே லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி வாங்க.
பிரியா அதே லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி உள்ள வா. கேட்கவே மாட்டீங்க. ஆமா அந்த இதுல நீ கட் பண்ணி விட்டீங்கல. அப்ப இதுல வால்யூம் கூட்டு. பிரியா வால்யூம் கூட்டு. இந்த டிவைஸ்ல வால்யூம் கூட்டு. வால்யூம் இதுல ஃபுல்லா ஸ்லோ பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
வால்யூம் இந்த இதுல வாங்க. இந்த இதுல 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 இங்க இருக்கு கேமரா, இங்க இருக்கு. இந்த இதுல 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 மொபைல், லேப்டாப்.
வால்யூம் ரைஸ் பண்ணேன்னு சென்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
ஆமா பார்த்தேன், சாட்ல வந்து.
சரி 5 பேர் தான் இருக்கோம். யாரெல்லாம்? பிரியா, கார்த்திக், ரசூல் சார், மீனா, ராஜதுரை சார்.
எப்பவும் இருக்கிற அந்த 5 தான் இருக்கு.
ராஜதுரை சார் வச்சுட்டு போயிட்டாரோ?
இல்ல அவர் ஏதோ சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்காரு. கேட்க மாட்டீங்க சார், சத்தம் கேட்கல.
சமையல் பண்ண போயிட்டாரா சார்?
இல்ல என்னத்த சார் கேட்க மாட்டீங்க, நீங்க பேசுறது கேட்க மாட்டீங்க.
கேட்கல.
ஐயோ பிரியா என்னவோ பேசுறாங்க, ஒண்ணும் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது.
ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணுதான் சொல்றாங்க, எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது.
கேட்கல.
பின்னாடி நீங்க டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணுங்க தவா.
கேட்கல.
அதான் யூ ஸ்பீக் பிரியா மேம்.
ராஜதுரை சார் கேட்கல.
மொபைல்ல இருந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியல அப்படிங்கறாங்க சார்.
இப்ப ராஜதுரை சாரும் பேசுறாரு, நமக்கு கேட்க மாட்டேங்க.
ரூபினா நீங்க ரொம்ப கட்டு போட்டு சொன்னாலும் மெதுவா சொன்னாலும் அவங்களுக்கு ஒரே மாதிரி தான் கேக்குது. கேட்கல.
பிரியாக்கும் ராஜதுரை சாரும் ஊம படம் பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. அச்சச்சோ சார், இன்னைக்கு 5 பேர் தான் இருக்கோம்.
இல்ல chat here பிரியா மேம்.
ராஜதுரை சாருக்கும் போடு chat. Why?
Come through chat. சார் போட்டுட்டேன்ல.
இவருக்கும் என்ன பிரச்சனையாச்சு ராஜதுரை சாருக்கும்?
அவர் சும்மா நம்ம கிட்ட விளையாண்டுகிட்டு இருக்காரு, வாய மாட்டா சார். நானும் தான் பேசுவேனே
சார். மியூட் என்னதுல பண்றாரு? மியூட்ட போட்டு விட்டுருக்காரா? இல்ல ஓபன்ல தானே இருக்காரு, அன்மியூட் தானே பண்ணிருக்காரு. என்ன பிரச்சனை ரசூல் சார்?
நான் இருக்கேமா.
ஆமா, அப்படி யாரு? பிரியாக்கும் ராஜதுரை சாருக்கும் என்னாச்சுன்னு தெரியலையே.
உண்மையிலே ராஜதுரை சாருக்கு தெரியல போல இருக்கு. அவரு ஃபேஸ பார்த்தா
இல்ல மெசேஜ் போட்டால காண்ட் ஹியர் மெசேஜ் போட்டியா தவா?
கம் த்ரூ chatன்னு போட்டுருக்கேன்
சார்.
தவா எப்ப காலேஜுக்கு வரணும்?
எதுக்கு சார்?
எதுக்கு இது காலேஜுக்கு அப்புறம் இனிமே வரவே வேணாமா? யார் தெரியுமான்னு கேட்டேன்.
இல்ல கவர்மெண்ட் சொல்லவும் நம்ம வந்துருவோம் சார்.
எப்ப சொல்லும்? நம்ம வரப்ப சொல்லுமா?
இன்னும் எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி என்ன கான்டாக்ட் ராஜதுரை சார் கூப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்காருப்பா.
கேட்கல. நீங்க பேசுங்க.
இதெல்லாம் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு சார். ஆனா இப்ப 2 நாளுக்கு முன்னாடி இவங்க MHRDA ஏதோ போட்டாங்க, ஸ்கூல்ஸ வந்து ஆகஸ்ட் 2nd வீக்ல ஓபன் பண்றதுக்கான இது பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு போட்டுருக்காங்க
சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
ஆமா,
நம்ம எல்லாம் கம்ப்ளீட் கொரோனா சரியானோன்னா தான் வந்து காலேஜஸ் எல்லாம் ஓபன் பண்ண முடியும்னு சொன்னாரு நம்ம அன்பழகன். அவரே கொரோனா சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க. பாப்போம், எதா இருந்தாலும் பாப்போம்.
ஆமா அதுதான், அதனால என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு தெரியல. இல்ல சார், அவன் நேத்தைக்கு இந்தியன் கவுன்சில் ஃபார் மெடிக்கல் அந்த இது வந்து என்ன சொல்லுச்சுன்னா பீக் வில் பி அட்டைன்ட் டூரிங் அக்டோபர் அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்காங்க.
அப்ப டில் அக்டோபர் வில் பி ஃப்ரீயா?
இல்ல we will be working through online mode.
ஆன்லைன் மோட்ல என்ன
சார் கொரோனா
situation nobody can be blamed.
கூட வாழ பழகணுமா?
எல்லாரும் கூடயும் தான்.
ஏமா கொரோனா கூடயும் ஆமா nobody can be blamed here. யாராவது என்கிட்ட ஆர்குமெண்ட்க்கு வராதீங்க.
யார் இதுக்கு வர போறா?
ஏமா ஆர்குமெண்ட் வர?
உங்களை சொல்லலமா, உங்களை சொல்லல, நான் இன்னொருத்தவங்கள சொன்னேன்.
என்னேவா எது நியாயமா? உங்களோட கொரோனா இயற்கை நியாயமா?
இவருக்கு என்னாச்சு? எவ்வளவு ராஜதுரை சார் என்னத்தையும் ஊமையில கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்காருல, என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க. அவர் வெளியே போய் சமையல் பண்ண போறாங்க.
கொஞ்சம் பொறுங்க
வராராம், சமையல் பண்ண போறாராமா.
வாயில ஏதோ மென்னிட்டு வேற இருக்காரு.
குழம்ப வச்சுட்டு அடுப்புல வச்சுட்டு வந்திருக்காரு போல. ராஜதுரை சார்
போயிட்டு வரேன்னாரு.
இல்ல வெளியே போயிட்டு உள்ள ஜாயின் பண்றாரு போல.
வரேங்கறாரு. ஆமா,
சமையல் முடிஞ்சதா தவா? ஜாலியா உட்கார்ந்திருக்க?
சாச்சா இனிமேதான் போய் பண்ணணும். கடகடன்
உங்க வீட்ல என்ன குழம்பு?
ஏமா ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுதுமா? ஏமா
இப்ப கேட்டா
ரெக்கார்ட் இப்ப கேக்குது சார். இத முதல்ல செஞ்சிருக்கலாம்ல சார்?
வெளியே போயிட்டு
கேக்குது சார்.
உள்ள வந்து கேக்குது.